In a region where cooling is essential, sustainability is no longer a choice. It's a necessity. Hotels and malls are silent energy guzzlers, consuming vast amounts of water, electricity, and harmful chemicals. Behind the luxury, there's a heavy environmental cost. At CET Enviro, we turn problems into progress. Our cutting-edge ACCS, SBR technologies are reshaping how the hospitality industry cools, smartly, safely, and sustainably. Introducing our two flagship solutions, ACCS, the Automatic Condenser Cleaning System, keeps your chillers operating at peak efficiency by cleaning tubes without shutting down. That means no downtime, lower energy use, and longer equipment life. Then there's SBR, the Scale and Bio-Removal System. It tackles the silent killers of HVAC performance, scale deposits, and biological buildup in cooling towers without harmful chemicals. These aren't just smart technologies, they're sustainability enablers, saving water, saving power, and eliminating chemicals while helping you meet ESG mandates. Every CET Enviro system is engineered for impact. Water saving. Hotels save tens of thousands of liters per month without changing operations. Energy saving. More efficient cooling means lower electricity bills and fewer emissions. No harmful chemicals. We eliminate the need for harsh water treatment agents. Safer for the environment, safer for your staff. Carbon emission reduction. Every optimized chiller is a carbon-saving machine. Measurable sustainability. These aren't empty claims. Our clients report real savings and real results in their ESG filings. We're trusted by some of the world's most respected names because our technology works and the numbers speak for themselves. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what industry leaders have to say. From luxury hotels to leading corporates, CET Enviro's solutions are transforming operations.
My experience with CET Enviro till now is very good. We have been using this product for about more than 3 years now.
CET technology are best in the segments. Their service are very prompt and in times.
As an automatic tube cleaning system, we are able to save approximately 13% of our energy consumption.
ACCS, which has been proven as the technologically advanced the product which has been used in the HVAC and particularly in the chiller.
Backed by 10+ years of innovation, CET Enviro delivers plug-and-play sustainability. We combine engineering expertise with a deep understanding of regional demands, from Dubai's heat to India's scale. Join global leaders already making the switch. From Westin to ITC, we help hotels lead the green transformation, one cooling tower at a time. CET Enviro, clean cooling, proven performance.